Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. Let's get to it here. We have new record highs on the board. The Dow trading out above 35,500. Got a new record high there. We see it on a closing basis. Speaking of closing, the S&P, it's battling at resistance right now. If it did close on the highs of the session right now, say 45.30, that is a new record high close. We're battling at that resistance. 45.25, 45.30 is major three-star resistance. So can we see a new record high close in the S&P? However, the NASDAQ, tech is absorbing and digesting recent gains. That is healthy. It's okay to happen. 15,400 is our previous resistance. It still is our pivot, aligning with our momentum indicator here today. So what does tech do? Does it kind of push through this? Does it fall back a little bit? Do we get a little profit taking? That's the question, because we certainly wouldn't be chasing price action into this level right now. If anything, you want to be taking a little bit off the table. But now we do have some big, strong support levels underneath the market. All that's detailed in the Morning Express, so go check it out. Now, crude oil is pushing higher too. You had a very bullish inventory report. The headline crude number just drew down a few 100,000 barrels. It was expected to be a build. API last night was a big build. However, the products, those were big drawdowns too. The big drawdowns in the products right here wasn't so much of a surprise, but with the build on crude not being there, this was very bullish. You had imports fall down a little bit. There was a little drop in net imports. That kind of alluded to this drawdown in the products, but production also fell down 100,000 barrels. So you really do have quite a bullish report here today. Can this be the tailwind to take it through about 83.5? Now, the November contract is expiring, so you do get these wonky type moves. Again, we're going to be patient, wait for a little bit of a pullback here, see how we close through the week if we have to. We've been very bullish crude. We remain overall bullish, but from a positioning standpoint, you got to capitalize on the move and wait to see what this market can do. Find a little better of a level to re-enter. So let's see what happens here through today and through the end of the week. Now, gold and silver, moving very well too. So speaking of higher levels, silver is now out above that major three-star resistance level, $24 to $24.28. That is a big major three-star resistance. Holding out above there could pave the path to $25. Look at gold. It's battling at $17.86. Now, supporting the commodity space a little bit, but specifically these metals, has been the dollar. The dollar is trending to a new swing low. You also got some good stability in the treasuries. That is good to see. The 5-year yield has stopped going higher here on the week since Monday. That is a favorable landscape for gold. So it's helped gold get off the lows. Now, copper, that did make a new swing low and reverse sharply. It stuck its head below 460 very briefly. Now back up to the highs of the session, highs of the week, about 475. See what copper does here. It could really help silver, actually. I think the industrial side of silver is seeing a good little push here right now, because gold certainly is capped by 1,800 at the moment. Give us a call, though. Our trade desk is here, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors.